So, hi dear Taurus, a very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 17th of November. For those who are in no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side, keep in mind the rules can be reversed also, and the action can be from your side also. And if it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in the description box for the same. If you're interested in learning self-healing modality and or self-love, you can purchase my ebook and my masterclass. Again, the links are in the description box for the same. And for one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Taurus, the person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have the Nine of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups. Too hurt. Someone is very, very hurt. Someone is feeling like they're a wounded warrior and all you give them is hurt and pain and nothing more than that. They're waiting and waiting and waiting, but they still love you. Even if you hurt them, they still have emotions for you. They still care for you. They still have those kind of feelings for you. That Taurus means a lot to me. Taurus is someone that I will never be able to let go of out of my system, out of my energies. So there is someone around you who is hurt beyond words because of whatever happened between you guys. They're waiting and watching for the situation to improve at some point of time. They're seriously re-evaluating the situation from a distance and trying to understand what they did wrong in the situation. But they still have emotions, they still have love, and they still have a soft corner for you. And they feel like even if they're trying their best to not to love you, they still do. Yeah, it's like the waiting and watching kind of energy from this person's side. They feel like they should just wait and watch and detach themselves completely, still waiting and hoping for the best for the coming future. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions? Seven of Wands, Six of Cups, the Hanged Man. Their intention is to not to move in this direction whatsoever. They just want to see the things from a different perspective, see the situation from a totally different perspective, understand the lessons and the blessings and everything that they got out of the situation. They just want to take a stand for themselves. It's like, according to them, whatever happened, whatever they did was the right thing. And even if they did something wrong, it was not intentional. Now this person definitely want to see your side as well. They definitely want to understand your point of view as well, but their intentions are not to come towards you and reconcile or get back together or something like that. Their intention is to stay wherever they are and stick to their ground and stick to their boundaries. Like, I should not go towards Taurus. So they're not planning to come back around. At least they don't want to do it, but they definitely want to see your point of view, see things from a different angle, from a different perspective, and they want to understand where they went wrong in the situation, but they don't want to do anything about it or take any kind of action in this direction. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 17th of November, Taurus. Star, Three of Wands, and the King of Pentacles. Okay, this person is remaining optimistic and positive and open to the idea of being with you at some point of time in their life. Not right now. They know it might take 3 months, 3 years, not 30 years. Oh, okay, obviously. 3 weeks, 3 months, 3 years. This person is waiting for the right time to reconnect with you so that you guys are going to be healed energies, positive vibes from both the sides. Right now, they're not taking any kind of action because they feel certain kind of blockages. Like those are huge blockages. It's not like something very easy to resolve kind of a deal. This person is quite in this energy of, I will talk to Taurus when the timing is going to be right. And and this person is remaining quite optimistic and positive that at some point of time they will definitely be able to reconnect with you, and you guys are definitely be able to come on the same page. Even if it is not going to turn into a romantic relationship, at least it's going to be a very good friendship with each other. This is their energies towards the situation. I don't see any kind of action, but I do see a lot of positive energy, lot of healing, lot of this energy of knowing that we guys are going to meet again in this lifetime, no matter when. Guidance for you, Five of Wands. If this is some kind of internal chaos or internal conflict that you're going through continuously regarding this particular situation and or your love and relationship area, you should understand what is that one thing that keeps on creating this kind of chaos and conflict within yourself and in your relationship area again and again and again. Are you the problem here? Are other energies that you're attracting, those are the problems here? See, the thing is, the outer factor is never the problem when it comes to relationship. It's always within us that we attract those kind of energy, and it's not a one day job that one day you are irritated and you're attracting irritating people all over the world. It's not like that. When you are continuously in an like in an irritating kind of energy or frustrated kind of energy, maybe 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, I mean continuous, keep on attracting those kind of energies towards you because you yourself is not at peace. So you should be at peace in order to attract peaceful energies towards you. This is the moral of the story. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.